Welcome back. Now Shopify has two kinds of discounts or coupons. You can apply discount codes. If you go to the discount section and you click on create discount code, you will then be able to create a discount code. You can determine what kind of discount it will be: percentage, fixed dollar amount, free shipping, or buy X and get Y, depending on how you set the conditions. For example, if we were to set a discount value, we can apply this value to specific collections. We can apply this value to specific products. If we browse our collection, we'll be able to see the collections. We can set parameters for the coupon. We can make it so that there is a minimum requirement for it, or we can make it so that there are no minimum requirements. We can give this to specific groups of customers, or we can give it to a specific customer. We can set a limit as to how many times it can be used and how many times it can be used by one customer. And we can determine a start date and an end date. Once you've done that, you can then save your code. And you can save your code. You will then have a shareable link for your discount code that you can pass on to your customers. And when your customer uses the link, they will receive the discount in their completed shopping cart. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.